There is a good news for Nokia fans. If you are waiting for a mid-budget smartphone from Nokia, then your wait is about to end. Because Nokia is going to launch its most awaited smartphone. In this great smartphone, you will get to see Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 200 megapixel camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia X Pro Max 5G smartphone. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia X Pro Max 5G. Display. The Nokia X Pro Max 5G phone has a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which comes with 2K resolution. With this, the phone will work at a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Apart from this, you will also get IP68 rating and in-display fingerprint sensor in the mobile. Camera setup. For photography, a triple rear camera will be provided on the back panel of Nokia X Pro Max 5G, whose primary camera is going to be 200 megapixels with OIS support. Apart from this, 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and 16 megapixel periscope sensor will also be included. Well, for selfies, this great smartphone is going to have a 32 megapixel front camera. Processor. This Nokia phone will be launched on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor, so that you will be able to do great gaming and multitasking in it. And as an operating system, Android 15 will be available. Battery backup. Talking about battery, you are going to get a strong battery of 7500 mAh in it. Apart from this, Type-C charging socket will be available with 90-watt fast-wired charging. Price or launch date. According to the leaks, the price of the base variant of the phone expected to be around $500. And if we talk about the launch date, then according to the leaks, it will be launched in a few months.